Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? Market has been fluctuating today, grayscale news, but it's a normal thing these guys do to manipulate the market. Okay, so DeFi project Bondly Finance suffers latest DeFi hack. So this is just the news to tell you that a DeFi project got hacked, and it's a normal thing in the crypto space. Alright, so I have some more interesting news for us. So there's a news that came out from Kenya. Let me just put it up. Kenyan electoral commission nominee clamors for blockchain voting. I don't think this is really going to be easy for the people of Kenya to pull off, because when stuff like this come up, the African leaders will be the first to say the foreign countries, the US and the UK, they've not used it yet. Why should we use it? But that is the case right here. So I'm going to read it. One electoral commission aspirant in Kenya, I'm sure he's a young guy, said that the country should consider adopting blockchain-based voting. Justus Abonyo. Alright, so I had to pull up the guy's name to check the guy on. So I have to quit my Telegram to check the guy on Google, and the search results on that name is so poor. Could it be this guy or this guy? Anyways, I wonder why a high profile person like that wouldn't have much media presence. I will have much media presence than him. Anyways, back to the news. So alright, moving on. According to the report by Kenyan news outlet, the star Abonyo, how is he a star? How is he a star and he's not on the internet? Abonyo spoke of this while appearing before the selection committee overseeing the appointment of IEBC commissioners at the Kenyatta International Convention Center on Thursday. Now, the cost of a ballot in Kenya ranges between $7 to $25. Which is 700 shillings to 2,500 shillings. If we use blockchain technology, the cost will go down to $0.5. This is an area I would explore as a commissioner. Now, yes, yeah, that makes sense, and it reminds me of an article I wrote several years ago. I'm just going to put it up. So this is my name, samstickkzjo, 2 years ago, how to achieve blockchain-based election in Nigeria, transparency in election. Alright, so the current voting system can be easily manipulated. I'm sure we don't need too much explanation on that. Yeah, that's true. So I added a video here that helps explain what the problem is. Strategy to achieving this goal. Obviously, it will not be easy to convince these corrupt politicians. Okay, I'll just go straight to the point. Which blockchain should we use? Now, Ethereum obviously would cost around $0.1, $0.5 per transaction. Yep, and Tron will cost about almost the same amount, and then on EOS is going to be free. It's going to be free. So I wrote this article several 2 years ago, and it's still very much valid. Also, don't get me wrong, it's not as if these guys don't know that blockchain is the solution to rig the election in Africa. They are aware, just that they don't want to spoil their business. They make money through this illegal stuff, right? So, but as more people bring forth this proposal, it's going to be easier for the people of Africa to know that, hey, this is a solution. It's going to be easier to get it implemented. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Yeah, that's all in the news for you today. Please do make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See ya. And of course, okay, let me just put this out there. Just in case you're watching this video and you're interested in blockchain voting, we are currently developing a solution. If you are interested, please do make sure you reach out to me so we can talk, right? Because we need some funding.